think that is a cop though, right there in the corner, so I'm not gonna go crazy. Oh quiero beber, oh quiero licor, oh yo quiero fiesta. Oh, I thought it was a cop. Damn, my seat is dumb, huh? What's good, YouTube? I hope you guys are doing good. For some reason, I always tend to record like at night, bro. I don't know what it is. The sun goes down so fast. It'll be dark in like at 4 p.m. I mean, it's 5, almost 6, but if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. What's going on with you guys, man? Damn, I gotta really avoid all these potholes though. I know if there's a cop behind me, they're gonna be like, yo, what is this guy doing? Probably pull me over for it too. Hopefully all you guys hear is the car and not so much the wind. If you hear a lot of the wind, I'm sorry. I just want you guys to hear the car, that's all. Alright, y'all beautiful people, let me go get this quick workout in so we can do some more driving. I'm gonna see you guys in a few. I just finished up at the gym. We're gonna go for a little drive, man. You guys know I love my drives. I'm sure that shit probably looks so nice outside when I do it, like when I step on it like that. But let's go for a little drive. I wish it was a little bit more light in here, but it's all right. I think I can turn left. I don't even know. But yeah, like I was saying, guys, let me know what kind of videos you guys are most interested in. Like I want you guys to be here for me and for the content I bring out for you guys. I don't want to be stuck to just, you know, one thing, because at any point like that stuff can change and stuff. So I don't want to be handicapped or anything like that. But car videos are definitely going to be here for a while, man, because there's so much content that I want to do, especially in the summer. And yeah, so that wind sounds crazy outside. there's a bump over here. Let me try to avoid it. Oh, there it is. I know it's over here somewhere. One thing that I noticed with my car, that like first gear, when you step on it in first, it's not too like pushy, like it doesn't go. As soon as you hit second though and you push it, oh, this thing flies, bro. This car be flying when I put it in second and I go. On first, not too much, but on second, yeah. On second, this thing be going, bro. Too fast? I'm sorry. God, man, I love this car, bro. I wish you guys could be like outside as I do like a pass through so you guys can really see and hear this car, bro. It's so nice, especially from the outside. From the inside, it's not as cool, but when you're outside and you see like pass by you or something, it's so nice. I think that is a cop though, right there in the corner, so I'm not gonna go crazy. Or it might be like a EMS, one of them two. We'll see when we get closer. It's EMS. And the intake, you guys can't really hear it. I'm sure the camera can't really pick it up, but the intake, it sounds crazy, bro. It's like but you guys can't really hear it though, obviously. The camera's not that cool. It's not that strong. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that little ride. If you guys made it this far into the video, I must be doing something right. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video. And if you guys want to check out any more car videos, I got plenty of those. Just check out one of these playlists right here. And I hope you guys enjoy those videos too. Just drop a like on those if you like it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.